Hello guys, well, it will be very amazing. For this we need white color yarn, yellow yarn and a rubber band. Amazing product, I promise. At first, around the rubber band we need to make a knot. Okay, we secure it. Now wrap around all over the rubber band with single crochet. Okay, around we need to make 40 or 45 as per your size of your rubber band. In such way you just cover this rubber band with any color of yarn that you have. Look, quickly just wrap around with this rubber band all over this space, and you may do one thing, you may push it. You just need to cover this space. Okay, make it a little bit closer. Okay, so it look more floppy. No? So just wrap around. Now this is the first round I have done. So the second round, what we're going to do it, make 2 chain, wrap the yarn, go from the same loop, take this out, make a single double crochet, again wrap the yarn, go from the second loop, make 2 double crochet. Okay, so that means all over the loop, each and every loop I'm going to do it 2 double crochet, right? 2 double crochet all over around. Here from the each loop we need to make 1 single, 2 double crochet in the each loop. So I'm going to finish it off the full part and then come to you. At this end, from the last double crochet we need to make a slip knot. Okay, 1 chain and then 2 chain. Now here from the each loop, third round, we are going to do 3 double crochet from each loop. Look, 1, 2 double crochet, and now the 3 double crochet from the each loop. We just make it to need the full and then I get back to you. Look how nice it is looking. Even this, when I complete, it turned amazing. It turns amazing. So the second row, it was each loop 2 single double crochet, and the third row, each loop you need to make 3 double crochet, 1 and then 2. Look, so half of the done. I just need to complete this and then I come back to you. Only few loops are left. Look, this is 1, 2 and 3. As I said, each loop 3 double crochet. Okay, now this is the last one, and to make a slip knot, right? For the fourth round we need to complete in such way. Look, here 1 chain, and then 1 double crochet, 1 chain, skip 2 and make a double crochet, 1 chain, skip 2, in the third one make a double crochet, 1 chain, wrap the yarn, skip 2 and make a double crochet. Look, it will look nice this kind, the boxes. Yeah, I hope you can see it. Look, right, one more time, 1 chain, wrap the yarn, skip 2, the third one, just put it inside, take it out and 2 2 1. Okay. 1 chain, skip 2, 1 2, and then third one, put it inside, take this out, 1. This is called single double crochet. 1 chain, 2 skip, and then third one make a double crochet, 1 chain, wrap the yarn, 1 2, and the third one make a double crochet. So this is, it's done like this. So all the round I need to make and then come back to you. See, chain 1 and skip 2. Here the last one, wrap around and then again chain 1, and from the last loop of this chain take this out, make a slip knot and this chain. This is all around we need to make at the end of 4th layer. Okay, 4th row. Add the extra yarn, make it little bit extra, and then take this out from this chain, make it secure in such a way. Okay, one more time. So now the time has come to insert another yarn. Okay, take this out, make a knot and secure with double knot. Right, now wrap the yarn inside of it and 1 chain, 2 chain, 3 4 and 5 chain. Yes, 5 chain. Go from this second loop, make a slip knot. Again 1 2 3 4 and 5. Right, go from it and make a slip knot each row. Okay, again last one I'm showing you, 1 2 and the 3 4 and 5. Go from the second loop, make a slip knot. So all around you need to do it. Right, 1 2 3 and another one, make a slip knot, total 5 and then slip knot. See guys, I have already done all part, only the last loop left. 5 chain, as I told you earlier, 5 chain. Go from the loop, take this out, slip knot again, 1 2 3 4 and 5, and the same loop, just take a slip knot Look all the way, we have done it. And the last one, 1 2 3 4 and 5. If you like this, please subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you so much for your time. And the last one from the next loop, and just, oh my god, it's looking so beautiful, so pretty. You can also make it. Try this out, and how it is turned out, please send me in my comments. So if you have the channel, please come subscribe. I will also subscribe yours. Look, isn't it very beautiful? And this is the last one. I will cut this later on, how it's look like. So I have to remove this now. Oh my god, oh my god, it's looking so pretty. Oh, isn't it? Cut a little bit extra and secure with a knot. The extra part